Change your attitude, alternate the sport dreams. Goals, motivation, mindset topics. Human beings question me all of the time, how do you stay so fine? And my solution normally is simply preserve smiling. However, while it comes all the way down to it, it's mindset. I used to be taught at a young age to exchange my questioning as a way to improve and propel myself to be my first class. It is now not smooth, so fortuitously there are many hours, minutes, seconds in a day to begin over. But it's crucial to be aware about your attitude, due to the fact it may exchange the game. Below are some ways to help bring out your exceptional. Emotional weakness to emotional manage. Don't permit bad reports and events affect your state of thoughts. Your beliefs create your international, you are in control of your beliefs. We're all in price of our emotions, mindset and lifestyles. Terrible questioning to fine questioning. Research says we've effective capabilities to pick high-quality approaches and feelings of questioning. Our emotions alternate our body at the mobile stage. Rather than trying to dispose of negative feelings, we will pick to respond to them differently. Make the effort to find a fine aspect to the whole thing. Fixed attitude to increase attitude. Fixed mindset believes you may not enhance or grow, which you are caught the manner you are. A growth mindset is the notion that whilst you put in the work, you'll be rewarded. Stay open to growing new competencies, enhance, and grow as a person. Have a look at demanding situations as possibilities, not barriers. Expectancies to appreciation. A lot frustration and unhappiness in life may be avoided if we alternate our expectations for appreciation. When you recognize the little matters in preference to always waiting for more, you're able to be gift and experience existence to the fullest. Small changes to huge modifications. To shift your mindset is a technique. We want to prevent searching at lifestyles as an all or not anything state of affairs. The smallest modifications can lead to the biggest outcomes. Be patient and kind to yourself along the manner, alternate doesn't appear overnight. Do not forget with every forward motion there could be setbacks, but if you fall in love with the adventure, the relaxation is simple. Thanks for watching.